Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back again, another day with another unboxing. And here we have a broken box I see. This is the Air Jordan 5, so-called Michigan. And I wasn't going to do an unboxing video on these because you have already seen a bunch of them, I guess, because they were released in US, I think a month ago, at least a couple of weeks ago. And my theory is that they were supposed to be sort of limited edition. They didn't sell out. So now we in Europe got sort of the leftovers. And why I say so-called Michigan is because they are Michigan inspired from the high school. And if we ever see something official Michigan, then it's player exclusives and not for us common people. So that makes them kind of special. Plus, now let me start to tell them why I bought the shoes. Yellow Jordans are rare, and one of my sort of grails is the Tokyo 5s, the black and yellow 5s. And we sort of got the hopes up of getting a version of that when we saw the Fab 5 5s. They sort of looked like the Tokyos, but they had a hand symbol on the side instead of the Tokyo logo, Chinese, Japanese sign. But they never got released to the public. They were only friends and family. So when we got these, or we saw pictures of these, I was super hyped. First, I was a bit sad that the shoes weren't black, or are they black? Black and yellow? And then we saw that there were blue and yellow instead. And for me, black and yellow, that's Wu-Tang Clan. That always works. But blue and yellow is also nice. That's more like Wolverine, Batman. But they are very dark blue. They are perhaps blue. I can see it on the inside and on the laces. But I would call the rest of it black, actually. Either way, there is a team behind these. Inspire, we see here, Inspire. And this brand on the heel, not brand, this patching that we have seen before, but not with this text. This text says, quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. And I'm not sure if I like it. I think I would prefer a black or a blue Jumpman instead. So I don't like that actually. And I think if they're gonna do this patch, they could at least had it in blue, dark blue as the sole, because the patch is black and red. And they could have the stitches in blue. But still, yellow Air Jordan, yellow Air Jordan 5 is very rare. I think I dare to say that this is the only public shoe. Let me refer that because the Tokyo 5s were a public shoe but very limited and only released when they opened the Jordan store in Tokyo. So they are very rare. The Fab 5s, I think were supposed to be some kind of limited public release, but they ended up being only friends and family. And that's it. And we have Michigan 5, player exclusive, as I said, that are reversed from these. They are blue leather, I don't think suede, maybe blue suede, but blue and with yellow hints, maybe yellow sole, I don't remember, and with the M here. But these are nice. Everybody said that the quality on these were super good. The guys in US, the vloggers, said that they were absolutely worth $200, and the price in US were $225, which is $25 more than we used to. And they say they were not quite worth that. Here in Sweden, the retail was $260. So that's a lot of money. And I would like to say that no Air Jordan, Nike, whatever, is worth that kind of money. Maybe the ones with all the technology and things. But the leather is really nice. The leather on the toe is very soft, almost numbuk something. But I can also see that it's gonna crease very easily and get scuffs and scarves and marks, and this I didn't like. I have a bunch of blue speckles or blue pores on the side here. As usual with Nike, the quality is not great. I'm gonna give you a close-up of that. And I can also see here how the rest of the shoe is gonna look like when it's being used. I have a bunch of suede sneakers that get sort of faded in color when they are being used. So these are not going to be this yellow in a while. I'm gonna use them, of course, I'm gonna use them a lot. Yellow suede. I think I could call it suede because, yeah, numbug suede, whatever. It's not long hair suede, it's very short suede, or as I call it, crazy horse, you know, the inside of the leather. But the quality is very nice, it's very soft. Worth the money. I don't think they should cost $260. I don't think they should cost $225 either. But as I said, Nike were expecting these to be sold out instantly, limited, and go for a resale price of at least $500, I think. But they didn't sell out. I don't know why, actually. I really don't know why, because it's a super cool sneaker. So now we in Europe got the leftovers, a bit more expensive than in the US, but yeah, we are used to that. So yeah, the fives in general are a heavy shoe. Maybe these are a bit heavier than your standard Air Jordan 5 because of the material. I got some glue residue. So the guys in US that said that the quality on these were great. And the stitching here is even loose. The quality isn't great. The leather material is good, very good. I can't say great, but the quality aren't great. So I'm gonna do a close-up so I can show you the blue speckles and the glue residue. The sad thing is that even if I would return these, I'm not sure I'm gonna get a better pair from Jordan, from Nike. I did that with the reflective 8s. I ordered them twice and they were both really bad. So now I'm gonna wait until they are on sale until I buy them again. Because they're probably gonna end up at sale because there are all sizes left everywhere. So yeah, I like the shoes. Could cost $50 less. Could absolutely be better in quality with the glue residue and with the speckles. But it's a cool shoe. Yellow. The yellow could be a little bit more yellow, brighter yellow. And the blue could be lighter blue, not this dark, almost black. But yeah, I'm looking forward to rock them. I'm gonna show you on feet as well because I think they look a bit small. I don't know what the other guys have said about of them being true to size or not, but I think they look a bit small actually. And the Jordan 5s are, I think they're usually kind of big. So let me see, this shoe got, this was nice. No problem here, I think. Here we have the speckles. And I think it's actually pores in the leather all over the shoe. Glue residue. So yeah, nothing new, but when they are raising the prices like that, the quality should be better. You see, these shoes are gonna crease a lot. Stitching, man, this sucks actually because these are going to, should I return them? Nah. Let me know what you think. Do you like the shoes? Did you buy them? How was your pair? Were you more satisfied with your pair over the quality? You see here, they are blue. The insole is yellow. Yeah, kind of cool. But this is black. I would call that black. I'm a bit colorblind, but blue, black, and yeah, black. We see what the official colors are. Don't we have the colors here anymore? Either way, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and please let me know what you think about the shoes in general and about my pair maybe. Do you think that I should return them because of these pores? Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, comment. Bye. Okay, I will try to explain this as good as I can. The shoes are actually a kind of snug. I had to loosen the laces all the way. As always, I have problem here, but with the 5s I usually don't. So yeah, a bit snug here. The length is good. So I'm gonna say that the shoes are true to size, but if you only wear Air Jordan 5s usually, then they are like half a size smaller than your standard Air Jordan 5s because the Air Jordan 5s are a bit big in size. But if you have Jordan 1s, Air Force 1s, those shoes that are almost always true to size, then I say that these are true to size. But as you can see here in the hallway where I have the white lighting, the yellow is really pale. Yeah, the yellow is pale and the blue is very dark. So I know that these shoes, when exposed to sunlight, they're gonna be even more pale. So yeah, but the shoes look a bit different from your standard 5s because you see they look kind of short and thick, and I am US 12 in size, and my shoes usually look longer than this, so they look kind of short and thick, but I like them. Of course I would prefer if I got them on sale or something, but yeah, another pair to the collection.